These are some of my favorite style vlogs to do. And we have some exciting news. I'm sure you know by now from the caption, but we are headed to Disney. It kind of feels last minute, but not really. We actually planned it about 3 weeks ahead of time. And typically we plan things like maybe 2 to 3 months. This trip is just going to be me, my little guy, and my mom, and we're just going to go down for a couple days and enjoy the Halloween party. My son and I have been, but my mom never has, so we are excited to show her around and see her first time just experiencing it. But also the little guy is a little bit older this year, so I think he's going to like it even more, and I'm just so excited. But anyway, we have a couple errands to run, have to pick up some last minute things, have my eye on a couple of things that I would like for the Halloween party. And so it's just going to be a little bit of everything as we pack and prep for this upcoming Disney trip. And if you don't follow us on social media, I invite you to go and do so. We share a lot about our lives. If you don't know, and I don't know if this is also in the caption yet either, but I am pregnant. On our trip, I will be 18 weeks pregnant. So this will be my first time going to Disney while pregnant. I am very excited. It does seem like there is a lot that I'll be able to do, but mostly I'm excited for snacks and pumpkin pie lattes from Joffrey's. So with that being said, let's start getting ready for Disney. And I mean, honestly, what is a pack and prep with me vlog without a stop at Target? So that's where we're headed first. Another day, but my Sephora package just showed up. I had ordered a bunch of things for our upcoming trip. I have been focused probably for the last like 5 or so years on wearing just clean makeup. Now, if you are new, you may not know this about me, but I have a pesticide allergy. And it is the pesticide that is sprayed on our wheat crops in the US. So I can't use anything that has gluten on it that's from the US. Anyway, I have to use gluten-free makeup. Found out the hard way that I reacted to it back in college. But right now, I am 16 weeks pregnant. So I am really focused also on products that are pregnancy safe, as well as like breastfeeding safe too. And after my first pregnancy, I've honestly just geared more towards using those style of products because I figure if there's things that are in there that we shouldn't be using while we're pregnant or breastfeeding, like maybe we shouldn't use them at all. But so I got a couple different minis, wanted to share just in case you are pregnant and looking for clean products that might be pregnancy safe or just clean products in general. First one, I've tried this before, but I typically use the Makeup by Mario black liquid liner, and for whatever reason, when I'm in warmer weather, I get like that dual line when I like sweat or get too warm, and then don't notice until I'm editing videos and I'm like, oh my God, why didn't nobody tell me? So I tried the Ilia, and I tried this one a couple years ago. This one is the Clean Line liquid liner, and it's smudge resistant. So I ordered a new one for our trip. I also ordered the Ilia Limitless Lash Mascara. I hope that gets clear. There we go. Now this one is not waterproof. They say that they can't really determine that waterproof mascara is okay for pregnancy. So I do use the Milk waterproof one from Sephora as well, which I do feel comfortable using breastfeeding. I am going to take it with me. I don't know if I'm going to use it yet. I haven't decided. Now, this one is the Tarte Fake Awake. This literally makes my eyes like pop. Like it looks like I am, just like it's saying, like it wakens my face up. And when I do a full face of makeup, this is absolutely something I'm wearing. So I need a new one. So I ordered that as well. I also ordered the Tarte Maracuja Juicy Lip. I am absolutely obsessed with this. I go on and off with if I like lip gloss. This one is the rose color. Love this color. If I have a full face of makeup on, I usually either have on this or the Makeup by Mario like plumping gloss. Really like those. Those ones kind of feel more like chapstick, where this is more like a sticky gloss. And then I totally thought that I ordered the travel size and I ordered the big one, which is fine. There's like a little bit left in my travel size one. I mean, I needed a big one anyway, so I now just have to go to Sephora. Shucks. But this is the Say Super Glowy Gel, and I love it. It gives me kind of that like iridescent glow, and just when you're at Disney and you want to feel a little bit more magical, like it just looks super cute. Otherwise, I really like it when we're like at the beach or just doing something where I'm dressing up like a wedding or some type of other event. Otherwise, I don't really wear it. So I did have extra points, and I love BioStance. All of their products are pregnancy and breastfeeding safe. This is their algae eye cream, and I've used it before, and it's probably been since my last pregnancy, so I'm excited to try that. But there was kind of a pack because of how many points and being a VIP user that I ordered. I think that's all that I ordered. I know that was a lot. Sorry for all the crinkling paper. But also wanted to see kind of what was in this. So that'll be really nice for travel. And the Tower 28. I know that they're a clean brand, but I will have to do research to see if this is something that I can use while I'm pregnant. This one will go to a friend. It is the YSL Universal Gel Fluid. I don't know what that means. This has to, oh, it's a primer, a blur primer. I think this was like their skin pack, but it gave a number of samples, and I love taking samples when I travel anywhere. And it was all clean products for the most part. So like Rare Beauty and Merit, Patrick Ta. Ooh, I've never used a lot of these. So this will be just fun to go through. There's a Dior one, Urban Decay, Ilia. I'm absolutely obsessed with them. Huda Beauty. Very cool. I don't know how to say that. Oh, no, just kidding. It's Anastasia by Beverly Hills. I used to use a lot of their products as well. But I thought that was fun to kind of get, because then I can take the samples with me if they are clean products that are gluten-free and try them out, because I get pretty stuck with what I like to wear. But I have a couple more things coming before our trip, so fingers crossed they get here and then I can show you guys. We are now 10 days away from our fall Disney trip and going to Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party. So of course, I'm having coffee today in the cutest mug I found at TJ Maxx. This one I found last year, but I've been on the hunt for another one this year. But I had another piece of mail come today. This company, don't mind me using my Cricut scissor soap on this. This is Spinning Carousel Co. I saw a couple girlies that I watch that do Disney vlogs mention them. And on the side it says Magic Mail. These are so cute. I should have known they were gonna have cute packaging, like their earrings and everything. Looks so cute. So I ordered these earrings and they came in really quickly. Oh, look at that little packaging. Okay. Oh, it's like a little thank you for your order, but it's a sticker. There you go. Like how cute. Okay. I will definitely be letting that on my water bottle. I'm obsessed with the little carousel horses. How cute are these? Let me take them out of the bubble wrap so you can see them better. Oh my gosh. Okay, wait, I need to try them on like right now. I only have one in, but I was so scared that I broke it. But I don't know that I realized this before. If I can get close enough. Like the hoop actually moves. So like they like actually are like more bendy, but they're really nice quality and they are so cute. I mean, I'm already excited for my trip. I always am excited to go to Disney, but those are adorable. I'm obsessed with them. I can't wait to wear them. Oh. Yay! We are 3 3 days away from our Disney trip. All of our errands have been run, all of our little things have been picked up, and I'm starting to finally get things in packing cubes and into the suitcase. But of course, I'm prepared. I have my villain shirt on. Peep the bump. We'll be 18 weeks pregnant during our trip. Very excited. But I'm trying out 2 new bags this trip. I'm sure you guys have seen the one where moms are pulling bags of milk out of their bum bags, which I'm a sucker. I fell for it and I got it. But I like it. It has like 2 little pockets and it's definitely big enough. I use the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 and I like to carry it in the case when I'm vlogging, and definitely feel like everything will fit in here. Then of course, we will still have a bag under the stroller, and I don't know what we're gonna do when we don't have a stroller. I know we are many years away from that, but just the amount of things that we threw under there. I saw this on Amazon and I actually ordered one and it came in and it was too small, so I ended up ordering another one. I don't know about you guys, but diaper bags are, I don't know who they're made for. I feel like they're so bulky and they stick so far out from your back that, like, I don't know, for like how well organized they should be. I feel like we've tried so many and just have not liked them. So this is literally just a standard backpack. I picked up a couple different clear like toiletry bags. So I have like little distraction items for the little guy for when we're out eating in one. I have all of his diaper changing needs in another one. And then in here, I'm also going to be trying out a sling because he's now almost 25 pounds and that's like way too much to be wearing in a front carrier, especially with a bump. So we're going to try out a shoulder sling. He seems to like it so far, but we'll see when we're actually in the parks. Also have a wet bag in here and then like all of his food essentials and hand sanitizer, you know, the mom necessities. But let me repack this real quick. All right. But if you have a box lunch store at like your local mall, or even just like check them out online, they have mystery pin boxes. So I bought 2 to start our trip with that I thought would be so fun to do when we're maybe waiting for dinner the first night or when we get back to the hotel, because we have like a 6 o'clock dinner reservation, so we'll be home but in bed early. So I got one of the puzzle ones, and then these little football guys. So we'll see which one we get. This will definitely be in our travel day vlog, but my goal is to put them on this like front pouch. And then I kind of want to stick, I think, with like the classic characters, but then be able to change them out depending on like what park we're going to and like what theme the pins are. I have a feeling we'll also end up getting Toy Story though and Cars, just because our little guy likes them as well. Anyway, also brought twinkling lights. I ended up taking these last year for our Halloween party too and had total mom brain, and they needed AA batteries and took AAA batteries. So I double checked it this year, and we're gonna wrap our stroller just to make it a little easier to find as well as be cute and festive. If you watched our Italy series and you saw our pack and prep with me or even our travel day, then this bag probably looks familiar. Pretty much the same stuff is in here. Our Mickey, a ball, some sticker books, although I got new ones this time because they have like 3D stickers. He had the flat ones on there and well, he did okay. I think the 3D ones just for his age will be a little bit better. So we have vehicles and space, and it was a 6-pack. I'll link it below on Amazon because the other ones were a little bit more expensive and there was 3 of them. So we'll see and make sure hopefully these are still reusable because the other ones have not lost the reusable quality. But I also found this at Marshall's. It's Here Comes Halloween, and it is all of the characters, but it's also a Lift the Flap book, which is a big hit right now with him. So we have kept this and the stickers away from him. He has not seen them at all, so they will be brand new on the plane. I don't know that we're going to get any characters to sign this because we are only doing the Halloween party. We didn't do a character breakfast this time. These are, it's a color matching There's a little magnet piece and you move the balls into a kind of ice cream, and then it tells you what number is in each one. And then I have downloaded a couple, I did Winnie the Pooh, Toy Story, Lion King, and now our flight, we do have a 1 hour layover, and each flight is about an hour. We're in Pittsburgh, so we have to go to Charlotte first and then to Orlando. But we'll have this loaded as well, just in case we ended up on a plane that doesn't have a screen. We're not really big on screen time, but when you have to be sitting still and you can't be walking around, I'm a little lenient. Also have his activity book. I've shown this a couple times. I absolutely love this thing, and he is still not sick of it, so we are throwing it in. We also have a couple of other Lift the Flap books in here as well. And of course, hand sanitizer and wipes, because you know things are definitely going to end up on the floor.